So we're back here with my 91 Datsun Nissan pickup, and today we have a short in the indicator light switch. So we're going to go ahead and change this out. Often you'll get a short in these trucks pre-93 with the retro interior where the cable in here somewhere broke and it's causing a short. So the other weekend I come out to my truck and the rear lights were on even though I never touched this joystick. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and change this out. Looks like there's 4 or 6 different bolts to take out. So all you need for this job is a screwdriver. It's nice and easy. There's only 2 screws holding that in there. And in mine, there should be 6, but I only had 4. 3 little guys there and 1 long one here. Once you have the screws removed, it just pulls out. And there's 1 clip holding the electrical in. Just pops out like that. Now we'll just do it all over again, but reversed. Putting these screws back. There's only 2 of these. And yeah, I'll see you when I'm putting back on the cover. So my truck has tilt. I don't know if yours does, but if it does, you just got to feed it in the hole first. And it's got a clip for the steering column there. And then you just start putting the screws in. Just putting in the last screw. There. Alright, well there you have it. Freshly installed. They're like $35 on eBay. Nice and easy fix for a potential short for you.